So here's another simple chicken thigh recipe. And this one comes together in under 30 minutes. It's boneless, skinless chicken thighs, lime, cilantro, garlic, and a little chicken stock. That is it. This is a skillet meal that you can pull together and then serve with another vegetable, a rice, a salad, whatever you would like to have with it. I'm going to be listing the calorie information, but I do believe that each chicken thigh will come in under 300 calories, even with the chicken stock and little olive oil in the pan. So just wanted to let you know, we'll be back in a little bit to show you what this all looks like as it comes together. So we end up with about 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, and we're going to just add that right into our mixture. And the next up, we're going to take our cilantro and add in about 1/3 cup of finely chopped cilantro. So we'll show you that as well. All right, let's go ahead and add in our cilantro into our chicken and lime juice marinade. Now all we have left to do is put in a little bit of garlic salt. All right, let's go ahead and get that garlic salt added into our mixture. The other thing we can do is we can add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now we're going to let this sit up for a minimum of 30 minutes. We're going to pop this in the refrigerator and just leave it alone for a little while because we're making this ahead of time. But if you were going to be getting this into the pan within the next hour, it would be okay to sit out. Remember, there's a rule for food, 2 hours maximum out of the refrigerator. But since we're going to be making this ahead of time and then cooking up later, which is why it's a fantastic meal prep, it'll only take a few minutes to cook when we're ready, we're going to put ours in the fridge. And when I say it'll only take a few minutes when we are getting ready to cook it, is because all we're going to do is add a little olive oil to the pan, cook our chicken. Once our chicken is browned, we will then be taking and putting a little chicken stock in the pan to deglaze the pan and get all those brown bits up. You know, we talk about that. And then to serve it, we're just going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lime over it. It's that simple. But you'll see all that when we get ready to make it. All right, so we've heated our oil here for our cilantro lime chicken thighs. Let's go ahead and drop these on. I might turn the heat down just a hair, but we're going to drop these on. And let them start to cook up. The idea with these is we want to let them brown. And then we're going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of homemade chicken stock. All right, we'll be back to see how these look in a few minutes. All right, so let's take a quick peek at these chicken thighs and see what they look like on the other side. You can see that the pan is good and hot, but they're not quite browning up yet, so we're just going to leave them be until they start to brown. And we'll be back to check in on that. We've added in our chicken stock and deglazed that pan. Look at the nice crispiness on those thighs. I think that'll be delish. And now, to finish this off, we're just going to squeeze just a little more fresh lime juice onto the tops. Not too much, just enough to impart some flavor. We hope you enjoy.